Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cutting power and draining residual charge so hardware tests are accurate. Shut down Windows, unplug the charger, and remove any USB devices. If the battery is removable, take it out. If not, hold the power button 15 to 20 seconds to discharge. Once done, power on and immediately press F2 or Dell to enter BIOS. This shows whether keys respond outside the operating system. Make sure to note which keys fail here before moving to driver checks. Back in Windows, you'll verify software is not the cause. Open Device Manager, expand Keyboards, right-click the built-in keyboard and choose Uninstall Device. Then scan for hardware changes to reinstall the driver automatically. Next, open Settings Ease of Access keyboard and disable filters like filter keys and sticky keys that can block input. Also reboot to BIOS again to confirm any function lock or keyboard device settings didn't change. These steps address most software-related key failures quickly. If keys still misbehave, proceed to hardware-level fixes carefully. Power down, remove the back panel and locate the keyboard ribbon cable. Unclip and reseat it to ensure a solid connection. Make sure you know your model's clips and use gentle pressure. Clean around keycaps with compressed air and a soft brush, then test with an external USB keyboard to isolate the issue. If problems persist, run Dell Support Assist Diagnostics or Contact Service. Most failures are cable, connector, or keyboard assembly issues rather than the motherboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.